Please confirm that whether I'm audible or not. Yes. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Yes, good afternoon. Thanks for confirmation. Yes, now it is. Yes. Hasini, Inda Reddy, Sai Charan, Sudesna. Yes, good afternoon, everyone. Yes. Good afternoon, Anya, Damodar Rao. Yes, I can see several response in the class. You all are quite attentive in the class. Afternoon session. Still juice is very high, and I want this juice throughout the class. So guys, today mostly it is the last class, right, for the gift program, and talking about whatever the things we have discussed till now. We'll be discussing more and more questions on that today. And yes, good afternoon, Mahit, Afrin. Yes, Akshaya, good afternoon. Lasya. Yes, to one and all, very good afternoon. I hope you all are doing well. Yes, holidays. Manya, yes, ma, yes. Holidays will be there after this. I request one and all in this class to cover up all the concepts of class 8, 9, 10th from physics, chemistry, and biology portion. Okay. So tomorrow the exam is there and the portion will be tomorrow the portion will be Y map and calculation related to the moles. Okay. Yes, Y map problems will be there. Today we will be discussing more questions on that. So without further delay, let us start the class, guys. So if you remember in the last class, I told you like what is the Y map. In the Y map, what we have discussed? We have discussed key mole is there at the center and mole has to be calculated from the given data. Yes, cherry blossom, hi. Yes, hi. So mole can be related to different parameters like the mass. Okay, we can say this is given mass. If mass is given, mass divided by molar mass, if you do, then you are going to get the number of moles, right? Mass divided by molar mass, number of moles. Moles multiplied with the molar mass, you will get the mass. I hope you remember this part. It is a quick recap of last class. Cherry Blossom, are you married? No, I am not. Am I looking like that? Okay, anyway. Okay, chalo, very good. Sandeep. Now you see, mole can be related to volume as well. So, if volume is given in the question, if you divide by molar volume, how much is the molar volume, guys? What is the molar volume at STP? 22.4. Sandeep, yes, 22.4. Molar volume is 22.4 liter per mole. 22.4 liter per mole means 1 mole of any gas will be 22.4 liter at STP condition, right? If you divide the molar volume with the volume given in the question, you will get number of moles, and just the opposite if you do. Multiply with 22.4 liters per mole, then if mole is given, you can get the volume of the gas, right? We will discuss more question on this to make it more clear. Next, talking about what is the third parameter that we can link with the number of moles, that is number of particles. It may be number of atoms, number of molecules, or number of ions, anything else. So if number of particles is there, if you divide by Avogadro's number, then you will get mole. And the opposite is also true. Multiply with Avogadro's number. I hope you remember this Y map. Sir, you're looking like young dynamic leader. Nana, I'm not a leader, by the way. I'm just a teacher. And if I justify my teaching, then I will feel very happy in that. Okay. Hello, Nannu Ninna Enduku Titta sweetie. Nana, class lo attention undali. Okay. So please focus here. This is the Y map. I hope you remember this Y map. If yes, then please give a thumbs up in the chat section so that we will discuss question on this. Mani, Nana, we have discussed this in the last class also. Like if mass is there, volume is there, or number of atoms, number of molecules is there, from that how to get number of moles. Our main objective will be to calculate mole, and from mole we can go anywhere. Okay. Charanya, yes, what I'm saying is, in the question, either of this or this or this, mass, volume or number of particles will be given in the question. From that you are required to calculate the mole. Okay, suppose number of particle is given, you can calculate mole, and after calculating mole, mole can be converted into the mass and the volume. Okay, Sampurnesh Babu, sir, you look like Sampurnesh Babu. Cherry, nothing like that, ma. You see here what is this topic is about. What I'm saying is number of particles, mass or volume, any of these parameters will be given in the question, and we are required to calculate this number of moles, and after calculating moles we can go for any other parameter. Suppose mass is given, we can calculate mole. From mole we can calculate number of particle as well as volume. I will give simple examples so that you will understand it better. Okay, chalo, we'll go for the question so that it will be easier for us to understand. The question number 1, the question is, let us say you are given with 10 grams of hydrogen. You are given with 10 grams of hydrogen. Okay, now what are the things we are going to calculate? No, sir, you're looking like Shreyas Iyer. Okay, I'm looking like Shreyas Iyer, and Cherry told something else. Okay, some superhero. So whatever it is, Nana, I'm Ajay Kumar, your chemistry faculty. I want to look like Ajay Kumar only. Sampurnesh Babu. Okay, okay, Ammachari. So you see, you are given with 10 gram of hydrogen. What are the things we are going to calculate? Calculate point number 1, number of moles of hydrogen atom, number of moles of hydrogen molecule. Second part, volume of the gas. Okay, so let us solve this. This is the question being asked in this is the question being asked. Let us solve this question. So what I told in the Y map, what I told is 3 parameters will be given, and from 3 parameters, first and foremost thing what we are going to calculate is, what is the thing we have to calculate? Tell me, what is the thing that needs to be calculated first of all? That is the number of moles. Sir, please tell botany ma'am to use scarf while coming to class. Yes, you can tell that na MacBook. You tell that. Okay. So yes, Sandeep, very good, Nana. Sandeep. Yes, others are also replying. It is moles. So first and foremost thing we are going to calculate is number of moles. So point 1, number of moles of hydrogen. You see, in the point 1, I am asking number of moles of hydrogen. It is H, it is H2. The difference is this is number of moles of hydrogen atom. This is number of moles of hydrogen molecule. There is difference. Atom, this one, this is molecule. So tell me number of moles of hydrogen atom. What is the formula according to the Y map? When mass is given, in the question we are given with the mass. When mass is given, given mass by molar mass is going to be the number of moles. So given mass by molar mass. Which molar mass? Gram atomic mass we have to use here. Yes, very good. It is given mass by atomic mass. Okay, because atom is here, hydrogen atom. So tell me, given mass 10 gram is given. In the question I have given 10 grams of the sample of hydrogen. And molar mass, what is the gram atomic mass of hydrogen? What is the gram atomic mass of hydrogen? Sindhura, 1. Yes, very good. It is 1. 1 gram per mole. So how many mole it is? It is 10 moles. We have 10 moles of hydrogen atom. Okay, but you people tell me, hydrogen exists as hydrogen atom or hydrogen molecule? Hydrogen exists as hydrogen atom or hydrogen molecule? Yes, hydrogen molecule. In earlier classes 8, 9, 10th, you must have studied hydrogen is diatomic molecule. It doesn't exist as a single atom. So anyway, we have calculated number of hydrogen atom, number of moles of hydrogen atom. Same way, number of moles of hydrogen molecule will be how much? I hope several students have calculated the same. Yes, 5 mole, 5 mole, 5 mole. Yes. Yes, it is 5 mole. So given mass, again, given mass, here we will say given mass by gram molecular mass, because here H2 molecule is there. So it is given mass 10 gram divided by molecular mass 2. So it is going to be 5 mole. Right? It is 5 mole. Yes, very good. You people have done excellent job. It is correct. It is 5 mole. So this way we are done with the first part of the question, which is number of moles of hydrogen atom and hydrogen molecule. Mahima, Amma, you see here what I'm saying is mass is given, 10 gram of the sample is given, we are required to calculate number of moles. We know that number of moles formula. You see here, Y map, mass is given in the question, 10 gram was given in the question, mass is given, if you divide by molar mass, then you will get the number of mole. That is what we have done here. Given mass by molar mass, given mass by molar mass. Here atom is there, molar mass is gram atomic mass. Here molecule is given, that's why gram molecular mass. I hope this part is clear. Sir, can we multiply that 5 to Avogadro number? 5 to Avogadro number. What is the need? Simply they are asking number of moles. They are not asking number of molecules. Okay. The first part is done. Next, second part is volume. So what is the volume of this sample? Let us calculate. So second part, volume. So I told you from the Y map that if number of mole, the center part you are getting, from there you can go to any part, right? So we know that number of moles of H2 molecule we have got in the last question, that is 5 mole. When number of mole is there, now we can calculate the volume. So volume is equal to what? Simply you see 1 mole of gas, volume at STP I mean to ask. Okay, if nothing is mentioned, you have to consider it is STP. 1 mole of any gas. What is the volume, guys? 1 mole of any gas, what is the volume? Yes, 1 mole of any gas, 22.4. Very good. It is 22.4 liter. If 1 mole is this much, we are having 5 moles of the gas. So what will be the volume of this 5 mole sample? You just multiply 5. So 1 mole is 22.4. So 5 mole will be 5 into 22.4 liter. How much it is? 112. 112 liter. Yes, 112.0. It is 112 liter. Very good, very good. I can add one more part here. The third part in the question is, you people tell me how many number of hydrogen atoms are present in this. Sir, is it essential to take volume in liter? Yes, Samita, we have to take the volume in liters. Sir, are you tired? No, I'm not tired. I'm not tired. I'm not tired, but this Vijayawada weather is unbearable. Okay. Case you can resing. Yes. Now tell me, what is the number of hydrogen atoms? How many hydrogen atoms are there in the sample? So to calculate hydrogen atoms, we know how many moles of hydrogen atom we had. What is the number of moles of hydrogen we have already calculated? Aaj last class hai kya, sir? Yes, mostly. Okay. So we have calculated number of moles of hydrogen molecule is 5, but number of moles of hydrogen atom, number of moles of hydrogen atom is 10 moles, right? So number of moles of hydrogen atom is 10 mole, and we know that in 1 mole of anything, we will have Avogadro number of particles. So because we have 10 mole, the number of moles of hydrogen atom will be how much? Number of moles of, number of hydrogen atoms will be how much? Number of hydrogen atoms will be equal to, number of hydrogen atoms will be equal to 10 into 1 mole is going to have 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. So these many hydrogen atoms will be there with us. Is it clear, guys? Yes, it is 6.02 into 10 to the power of 24. That is the answer. Yes, very good. Pranati, yes. Why didn't we take 10 in place of 5? Manya, very good question, ma. I have asked you how many atoms are there. I didn't ask how many molecules are there. Number of mole we have got 5. Then how? Why did you take 10? You must be having that question in mind, Manya. The point is, this is 5 moles of hydrogen molecule. But I didn't ask molecule, I have asked the atoms. Right? 5 mole of molecule is there and 10 moles of atoms are there. So 10 mole means 10 into 1 mole is this. These many atoms. What about ions? There is no ion in this, na? Hydrogen molecule. H2 molecule is there and hydrogen atoms will be there in that. So simple point is, one hydrogen molecule, you see one hydrogen molecule, if I say one H2 molecule, in one H2 molecule, how many hydrogen atoms are there? One H2 molecule, 2 hydrogen atoms are there. 2 hydrogen atoms. One molecule contains 2 atoms. So 5 mole of hydrogen molecule will contain double of that, 10 moles of atoms. Is it clear? Is it clear, guys? Please let me know if you understood this. Should we always calculate the volume of any gas on the basis of the existing state, sir? Sai Charan, very good question. Yes, we will calculate on the basis of existing state. Because hydrogen will not exist in the form of hydrogen atoms, rather it is hydrogen molecule. Yes, what? I'm not clear with one thing. What is that? Please ask much, Cherry. Cherry, please ask that. What is that? Sir, you married. That should not be your doubt. I'm asking what is your doubt in this question. Amma Cherry, please ask what is your doubt in this question. We have to find volume of atom or molecules. Very good, Amma Pujita. That is what I'm saying. Hydrogen will not exist in the form of hydrogen atom. Rather, it is hydrogen molecule. So volume has to be calculated in terms of hydrogen molecule, not hydrogen atom. So we have 5 moles of hydrogen molecule. That's why the volume is accordingly 112 liter. Yes, please ask Siva Kesava, please ask your question. Please ask your question, Nana. How many atoms? Hydrogen. That is what we have calculated. These many hydrogen atoms, na? If I ask how many hydrogen atoms are there, these many hydrogen atoms are there. And how many molecules? Just half of it. ATM unit. We will discuss about ATM unit later. Varsika, very good, ma. 5 mole. Yes, 5 into Avogadro number. That is the number of molecules. Number of hydrogen atom is this, and number of H2 molecule will be how much? Number of H2 molecule. Here we have got 10 mole. 10 mole of hydrogen atom and 5 mole of hydrogen molecule. 5 mole means 5 into 1 mole is 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23. These many molecules. Did you understand what I mean to say here? How many mole are present in electron mole? In an electron mole. We'll discuss about electron related questions later. You please let me know if you understood this question or not. Last year, yes. One more question. Yes, I will explain more questions like this. Do you see IPL? Nana Vivo, I will discuss about that later. Please focus on the question now. Dixita, understood. Okay. Talking about IPL, come back. We'll come back to IPL part. Now you see, sir, we are curious to know if you are married. Yeah, I'm not married. Unmarried bachelor. Okay. Sir, prepare so tomorrow's exam. That's what I'm doing. This kind of questions I will ask. Okay. So let me discuss one more question like this so that you will understand it better. So in the last question, what I have done is I have given 10 grams of hydrogen. From 10 grams of hydrogen, we have calculated the number of moles in it. From moles, we have calculated the volume of the H2 gas, not hydrogen atom. Volume of H2 molecule we have calculated, because hydrogen will exist in the form of H2 molecule. Further, what we have done, we have calculated the number of particles, like number of hydrogen atom as well as number of hydrogen molecule. Both we have calculated. Sir, then number of atoms in 5 gram of H2 molecule plus number of atoms in 10 gram of hydrogen, right, sir? Sudeshna, 5 gram, 10 gram, I didn't get your point. Sir, then knowing number of particles, we can find mass and moles. Yes, everything we can do. We can correlate everything. Okay. I'm solving more and more questions so that you will understand it better. The second question you focus here. The second question is, we have 12, let it be, we have 6.02 into 10 to the power of 20 helium atoms. We have these many helium atoms with us. Now we have to calculate point number 1, number of moles of helium atom. Point number 2, mass of the sample. Point number 3, volume of the sample, volume of this gas sample. Okay.